Hey you guys, welcome to my channel again. So today I'm going to be reviewing this model wig right here that I have, but I already worn this wig here. So this is the model mint HD lace wig right here. I got it from my beauty supply store, and this was $53.99, $54. So yeah, I wore, like I said, I wore this wig already for a wedding. I didn't have time to review it because I was in a rush and stuff like that. But you guys know what comes with the wig, just the wig, and yeah. And this is in the color 1B style ML-08. Okay, so this is how it will look here. All right, so we're out of that one. So like I said, I wore this one time and I haven't worn this wig again. So I have someone to go tomorrow, so I want to install this wig again. So this is how the construction inside of the cap look. Like I said, I did not clean it the first time I put it on. It's not that bad. I can wear this again before I can do anything with it. It's not that much glue that was placed on here. So okay, so here we go. So when I had this, I'll show you the pictures that I took, but this wig is the bomb for a synthetic wig. So it does have your two straps as usual, just a yeah. Okay, so already do the light spray on the lace inside, so I'm not gonna do that anymore. I already did my cap method, ball cap method, you guys, so anyone can do this. So I did two of this layered right here. Yeah, I did two of them, so I don't know if I want to do a third one. And yeah, so I'll do a third one because I want it to last for like a week or so. So I have this glue here from Amazon, so lace glue. So this will be my third application. So I just put it on like so, and then I use my Shein ball cap or wig cap, whichever one. I think it's like $6 for $1 or so, change, whatever. I'm not too sure. And then I will take my pick, yes, and I'll just go here, and then I'm gonna go sit close to the fan. I'm not using no blow dryer or anything like that. And then once it's tacky, I'm gonna come back and just apply the wig. It's not much to do on this wig because I'm gonna wear this wig for tomorrow's event. I just want to install it because when I come from work, I will not have time to actually install this hair like the way I will want to. So today I'm kind of like a little bit less busy, so why not? Okay, so you guys, I did not throw away the front part of the lace, of the cap, so I just put in the middle, and then basically that's it. Okay, so once this gets tacky, I'm gonna come back and then put the wig, and then we're all okay. So this wig, you can find this wig at Sam's Beauty, which is cheaper. I think it was like $34, but I was looking for something to put on the go for a wedding that I was taking part in, so I didn't mind paying for it, that price. So, but you can get it cheaper once you Google it and everything else, you know. Okay, so I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I'm gonna apply this wig now. And you can use a rat tail comb or whatever and so on, but I'm definitely going to use my knife, which is not recommended, by the way, but like I said, do you? So you guys, I'm just going to tie my hair down some on my edges, like so, and just I'll come back when I feel like it's maybe like 10 minutes or so, and then I'll come back and then we'll just show you how this look, and then tomorrow is when I will literally have to style it, and then I'll show you the final look of this thing. But you guys, this is how the hair look, and I'm going to use my wax stick, and then I'm going to use my super smoothing anti-freezing hair serum, this one here, and then this is the extra hole. That's all. So that's what I'm doing. So I just want this to lay down, and then I'll come back. Okay, you guys, so I am back. So you guys, this is the install. But I would do my, what do you call this, the baby hairs or whatever, tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not doing anything right about now, so I'll just leave everything like so undone. And then tomorrow, once I style my hair, you guys will see the final product. This here is really, really nice. It sheds, but not as much shedding, you guys. When I first opened the pack, look here, it does shed, but not as much at all. But this hair, Okay, it's given. I will definitely recommend this. Definitely. You don't have to do baby hairs if you don't want to, guys. So I'm about to go mind my business. Like I said, I'm not going to do anything with this. And then like I said, you don't necessarily have to do baby hairs if you don't want to. You don't have to, guys, okay? It's not a pressure to do baby hairs. It's not a pressure to do them. So I will definitely catch up with you guys again. Like I said, so I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna show you the product again. I'm gonna be using tomorrow, not today. Tomorrow is my hair wax stick, my serum, and my holding spray. That's all I'm using. And then you guys, you're gonna see this hair bounce back. Bounce back. You guys be so scared to be installing my hair, but girl, don't be scared. Do your own hair and save that moolah, okay? Do that. Look at that. I just installed my own hair. Don't worry about this white. Nobody wants to see that. So yeah, because once you put in your baby hair, it will literally, yeah, and this thing sticks so well, you know, and you can use your powder, do all of that, and go in and part your hair. And then try to do your own hair, ladies. Try, even if it takes you longer time, let it be. If you have to watch videos, let it be. But try to do your own hair as much as possible, you know. So okay, guys, so like I said, I will see y'all tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair after, yeah, so this is the next day basically. So this is how the hair turned out. Like I said, this is the second time I'm installing this hair. I'm still loving it, as you can see. Okay, so let me know what you think down in the comment section. Yup, ready to go party, y'all. Yeah, but like I said, you can find this hair online, beauty supply store, everywhere. So all right, we shall see you on the next one. Bye.